Hey everybody, welcome to the video. We've got some exciting footage from the factory. Something completely unexpected happened, and luckily no one was hurt. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you've ever experienced anything like this at an Airsoft event before.
Whoa! This bitch is on fire! Parking lot! Parking lot! Move! Move! You want to get in there? Profit. Windows. Just be careful. Repeat last. We're in the room on 3rd floor. What side is this? Red. Are there friendlies that way? Friendlies? How did you get over there? Did you start here? Okay. Damn it. Does that go fire? What? Fire in the building. Thanks. Damn. Oh, smell it.
Upstairs clear.
Oh,
Get the
shit.
fuck out. The exit is right here. Move towards my voice. Let's go. Move towards my voice. Stay fucking low.
Oh, shit!
Move towards my voice. Exit right here.
Go, go, go!
Get out of the building!
Fuck! Oh my God! Arrowhead.
Wait. Get your bottle, buddy!
10-4, I've got Bubba and Ace with me.
Profit is right there. Profit! Where is Jake from? Okay, hey! Everybody tell her! Hey! Everyone to the front of the building now! There! Now!
Anyone got red? Anyone got red?
Oh, thanks, Zach! You good?
Got her, we got her.
Make sure you have everyone they came with.
Miller, red, Profit.
I saw your foot. Get there!
Let's go, guys! Wait!
Miller. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Run!
You gotta count? Everybody just get here so it's easier to count. Let's go!
We were stuck on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, the stairs were full of smoke.
Yeah, we have everyone?
Yeah.
Bubba!
Yeah, the first is alright though.
Yeah.
Yeah, first
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
We got lucky that the guy was down there.
10.
We had 10, right?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we got 10.
Y'all good? Y'all good?
Yeah.
I'm fine. I got out like. Everybody was like, dude, is that a fire?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah. Look.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Profit!
Get out of the building, there's a fire! Fire!
What the fuck is going on? I got it.
Get out building! Fire!
too many people are fucking yelling. Holy shit. What?
It's pretty damn.
Yeah.
What's going on?
All Arrowhead, exit building. All Arrowhead, exit building.
Hey, go, go!
All Arrowhead, exit building. I repeat, if you are still in the building, get the fuck out.
Parking lot, parking lot. Arrowhead, rendezvous at the parking lot, parking lot.
Arrowhead, rally in parking lot by porta potty. Rally in parking lot by porta potty.
Arrowhead, parking lot, parking lot. Arrowhead, parking lot, Arrowhead, parking lot.
Holy shit.
Arrowhead, parking lot. Go, go, go. Holy shit. Thank you, I got better.
Get away from the building. You guys don't know what's in there. There could be something flammable. Let's hurry the fuck up.
Get over by the fucking yellow tree. Over by the other spot.
That is a lot of fucking smoke.
How the fuck did that happen?
I don't know. Maybe pyro grenade hit
Yeah.
the wood.
Arrowhead,
Blew up.
everyone rendezvous in the parking
They're
lot.
trying to ban those. Those and the smoke grenades.
Rendezvous, please.
If they did it today, I'd be a felon. My trunk is fucking full.
Anyone got red? Oh, there's that. Red right here. I got purple, blue, meat, and red. 10-4, bring him to the parking lot by the blue porta potty. Hey, do a buddy check. Make sure you got it. Where's your buddy that you came with? How long were you in there?
AJ! Profit! Let's go. Where's Bubba?
He's coming.
You got it. They got it.
Run.
You got a count?
Everybody just get here. So really? Yeah.
Damn, there goes the day. I hope not. Fuck.
I literally walked
We were
past it.
stuck
on
on
my
the
What happened? Was it a grenade?
Through it.
first floor.
Yeah, the stairs were full of smoke.
Yeah, the first floor is
Yeah.
the,
Bubba.
yeah, the
You
first
guys alright though?
Yeah.
yeah, first floor someone threw I think someone threw a fucking grenade
We got lucky
and
that
it
the
caught
guy was down there
caught the
for a
barricade on fire. Yeah.
Yep.
Holy shit.
Hey,
Good?
yeah, are you good?
I'm fine. I got out like almost immediately. I was on second floor.
You're a great teammate, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, everybody was like, dude, is that a fire? Everybody was calling fire.
Yeah, there was too many people yelling at first. I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
Yeah, I was like, everybody was calling fire, fire, fire. So,
Talk about that footage. Talk about that footage, man. Oh.
7, 8, 9. Holy fuck. We're all here.
Yeah, but hopefully everyone else is out of there.
I know, we got-
Yeah, it was bad. You couldn't see.
Yeah. And it sounds like people are.
So there's
First time in Mirror
so
Tactical, and something goes up in flames.
by the
First
like that.
time in Mirror Tactical. Yeah, we got everybody.
It's by the last
I've been to, fire department's coming. Everybody get out of the way.
Was it a pyro? Like a, yeah.
Yeah.
What lit?
It's probably a barricade.
Wow, that's crazy.
It was either a barricade or one of the fucking beds that are in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Helicopters, clear the way. Make a hole so that the fire.
Somebody threw a fucking grenade.
Perfect. Clear, clear. Make a hole.
Don't leave me hanging now. Fire! 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 Dang. I like that. Fire! 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 Jeez!
There's a fire. Dude, I got such a cool video of it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's rough. What'd we get? What'd we bring? Oh yeah.
You filming this?
Yeah, the viewers are gonna want to know how this ends.
Flag in the background,
Oh yeah, yeah.
flapping in the wind.
Here, pull it out of the ground and go stand with it. There we go.
Patriotic.
Yeah. Wow. How do I? So, bit of a fire. Bit of a fire at the factory. I guess somebody threw a grenade, must have caught a bed or the fences in there or the netting. There's a lot of flammable stuff in there, so yeah, fire department's here.
It's coming hard.
Probably not gonna go back in. It's lunchtime now. It's like 12:50. Probably not gonna go back in there, to be honest. That's probably it. Who knows? We'll see if we get more. It was black smoke in there. Really hard to breathe, really hard to see.
I'm glad you made the decision to get out. Like, if you
That's wild.
I hope nobody's up there right now. My reaction was, I don't packing up.
Yeah.
This place is too old.
I don't know if we'll be able to go back in, to be honest.
Not in that building. We'll have to,
It's gonna take a while for that smoke to
they'll have
dissipate.
They'll have to assess it. Fuck, man, this is
Yeah.
awful.
Hey, I dropped my $1,000 gun. Can I just go for a walk real quick?
Go back in and get it.
Can we have an outside battle?